knowingly or unknowingly, how many brothers and sisters you have?
I have one sister.
One sister, no brothers.
No.
Whether it is a brother or sister, the soul is common. The soul is common to all. When your soul is attracted to Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, your sister is not like you. Why?
Each soul is whatever she has done, the previous birth karmas, she has got.
You would have practiced all these Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Raja Yoga in some other Janma. The travel has not reached the destination. You started traveling in a path, that path did not reach the destination. That is being dragged and continued now. You don't know whether you are going to reach the destination again in this Janma or not. Are you married?
Yes.
You are into bandhana. Whether you like it or not, you have to make money. You need money for bringing up the family. You have a child? You have children. You have 2 children. So this Karma Yoga, this family Karma Yoga, you have been attached. But you are into Bhakti Yoga and you have started realizing so many things. Getting so many things happening. Whether it is a Raja Yoga or a Bhakti Yoga or some other yoga, you have started feeling something different than the normal person. You have to make yourself, you should decide yourself whether getting into the spiritual things so deep or leaving the family, came out of the family and involve yourself 100% in spiritual things. Uniting yourself with the family and practicing the spiritual things in a staunch way, something will move forward, but you don't reach the destination. You are going to get confused at one point. You cannot leave the family. Neither you come out of the family, nor you can attach yourself with spiritual things. Bandhapasam, in Tamil we say, atlante emi? బంధనాలు ఏముంది, అది ఉంటే మీకు ఆధ్యాత్మ సాధన చేసేదానికి ముందర పోయేదానికి అవకాశం లేదు. Of course, you started from Bangalore, your destination to reach Mysore. But before reaching Mysore, either at Mandya or at Maddur or some other place, your vehicle will stuck. You cannot move forward. But up to Mandya you can come, or up to Maddur you can come, not up to Mysore. So that is the situation now you are facing. Since you are not touched that utmost point, you are not confused. Of course you are confused now in spiritual things, not in the family. You are earning something like 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, something, you are getting some salary, handing it over to your wife. Your wife is managing the family. But you have been dragged into Bhakti Yoga, whether you like it or not, entered into Prabhupada's way. That spiritual path is dragging you to spirituality. This hand is tied here. This hand is tied here. Both of my legs are tied. God has come in front of me and calling me. You have attained the freedom. You can come and join with me anytime. My blessings are there for you. Like that, the God told and went off. All of my limbs have been tied. But freedom has been given. Can I attain the freedom?
Break the bonds. Then only.
These bondages have to be removed. Wife, family, friends, relation circle, and this wealth, and so many other desires. All these knots have to be unfold. Then only I can move out. So that is the problem you are facing now. But spirituality is needed for family people. Why? You are in the family way. Whether you want it or not, the spiritual things are coming to you voluntarily. To what extent you have to go? You have been given a car. The car has got a speedometer. 120, 140, 180, 200, 220. Up to 220 you can go. What happens?
220 is the maximum.
You lose your control. More than 120, if you start driving, of course you enjoy the speed, but you lose your control. If you go on driving the car at 140 and 200, the ultimate this thing will be accident. Accident. When the car has been given to you, you should know when to put the brake. Understand what I tell?
Yes. Yes, I understand.
You need a guidance. That is why you need a guru. Experienced, a sadhana purusha you need. The guru will guide you when to put the brake. You don't know. You enjoy the speed. But guru, he knew because he also drove the car at 200, 220. But he was successful in putting the brake. So he will guide you. You need a guru. Whether he is in Andhra or Bangalore or somewhere else. You need a person to guide you. Mantra japa as well meditation. Mantra japa is a meditation. But if you sit for meditation separately or separate mantra japa by japamala, that is also a meditation.
I am doing that, sir.
One peg, I enjoy the kick. Two peg, I enjoy the kick. If you go on regularly taking two peg, the two peg won't work. You have to increase another one peg. Like that, if you go on increasing, even 2 bottle, 3 bottle won't give you the kick. Like that, the meditation kick also, the beginning you sit for 10 minutes and 15 minutes or 20 minutes, half an hour, then you rise to 45 minutes, then 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour. If you sit for meditation, 4 hours, 5 hours, you don't know. The same kick, you become addict for meditation. Whether you like it or not, your soul will drag you to ask you to sit and do the meditation. It is also addict only. This meditation is spiritual addiction. Spiritual addiction. You should know what is your limit. You are a family man. You cannot leave the family. Go on meditating. Once you are addicted to Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, something else, you cannot concentrate with the family affair. You have 2 kids. Your wife is dependent. Don't mistake me for telling this. I am not misguiding you. I am not misguiding you.
Yes, sir, I am understanding.
I am guiding you properly. So control yourself. Of course, I am happy that you have come here to see me. But you should know your limitations. First you should know your limitation. You are a family man. But if you are not a Raghavendra Swami, small kid, Raghavendra Swamiji's that particular birth, it was a Mukti Janma. To attain Mukti only, Raghavendra Swami entered into that particular body and he was able to come out of the family and then this thing, gave Mukti to his wife. But you don't know whether you have the same quality like Raghavendra Swami, or whether it is a last janma or in between janma or some other janma you have to take, you don't know. So that you have to drive the car very cautiously. If you are really born to attain mukti, even if you are in the family, God will take you. Mind it yourself. But you should not risk yourself. Your wife is dependent, both of your children, they are dependent on you. You have a karma yoga. You have a karma yoga, family karma yoga. Along with that, you need self-realization. Am I boring you?
No, sir. I'm listening to you, and at the same time, I'm trying to link all the things, what happened to me and what you are saying. Everything is happening parallel.
Today, a picture is released. Number one actor, whether it's a Hindi actor or Kannada, I don't know, Telugu. A picture is released. Go to the cinema theatre, you don't get the ticket. But you want to see the movie. Unless otherwise, go to the theatre, stand in the queue. If you stand in the morning show queue, at least you get the ticket for the last show. If you sit at home, desire yourself to see the movie, you cannot see the movie. Like that, this Janma is a stage to act in a drama directly coming from home. You cannot go to the stage and act. You have to go to the makeup room,
Practice.
rehearsal, finished, makeup, then only you can go to the stage. Like that, God has given you a stage in this Janma. This Janma may be a Mukti Janma or a preparation Janma for attaining Mukti in some other Janma. There are so many people in the world, they don't know the meaning of Mukti. They don't know why they have come into existence. You are very lucky, you are attached to Hare Rama, Hare Krishna mission, ISKCON movement. Or you are into Bhakti Yoga. You love God. Why you pray God?
Attain Mukti.
Yeah?
Attain Mukti.
So you should know when can I attain Mukti. You are sitting in the bus, taken a ticket for Hyderabad. You should know at what time you are reaching Hyderabad, or whether the bus is in the proper condition, whether the bus will take you up to Hyderabad, or in between you are asked to get down and take another bus. Everything you got to plan up yourself, and then only you have to get into the bus. Like that, this Janma, you are lucky, you have been attracted into spirituality. To go to the stage, your mind is tuned up. Your mind is tuned up. But whether you have put the makeup or you have dressed up well as per this thing you are going to act, you don't know. The preparation have to be pakka. Preparation have to be pakka to enact the drama. Your desire to attain mukti is secondary, but to get into the stage, preparation is needed. So mind yourself, you have an aim, spiritual aim to reach the goal. To reach the goal, you got to come out of the family. It is not possible. It is not possible. So what is the next to this thing? Alternate. You are committed to certain things. If you leave the family, again, you don't attain the mukti. You are accumulating another papa karma. They don't curse you. Because of your absence, they suffer. That suffering is a bad karma. So, attach yourself with the family and prepare yourself to attain mukti. That can be done in this janma. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. That can be done till my, maybe probably like my kids reach to some stage. After that I can
That is why don't go in a very speedy way. What the Kundalini does, whether you are into Bhakti Yoga, or you are into Karma Yoga, or you are into Raja Yoga, the Kundalini comes out of the cage. Now you have started developing pressure here. Some time later, you feel the chakra movement.
Yes, sir.
You can see.
Here, sometimes, like this energy going up.
Oh, that Kundalini has come out. Already the Kundalini has come out for you.
It's
Zigzag.
Not from here, sir. From here till here, like this. It'll when I sit in.
No, it has
puja,
come out, but it is stuck in the Manipura chakra. You did not know when it came out of the cage. You did not know because you are into meditation. You did not know. It has come out of the cage and it has reached the Manipura chakra, trying to go to Anahata. Anahata, Manipura, there is a tussle. It is not going upward and it is not going downward. It is stuck in the Manipura. Sometimes it stuck in the Anahata chakra. When the Kundalini is stuck in the Manipura chakra, Anahata chakra, it takes months and years. Months and years to go upward. So the movement is not proper. Why it is not proper is the chakras are not cleansed properly. Your mind is not pure. You love God, but impure consciousness will not merge with the pure soul. Soul is always pure. Consciousness impure. Vasanas, samskaras, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsaram. All these things are negatives. When you possess all negatives in the consciousness, it won't merge with the soul. When the consciousness is impure, chakras won't function properly. All are interconnected. You know that you are a pranic healer. Chakras and consciousness both are interconnected. If it is impure, chakra will also won't function well. When the chakra won't function well, Kundalini comes out of the cage. Kundalini never goes upward. It never comes down. It never go to the cage again, and it cannot go to the divine. In between you are stuck because you are attached to the family. Whether you like it or not, you have to commit certain bad things in your job. You are not interested, but your boss will tell, do this. This is company policy. But it is against your will. Against your will, certain things you have to execute, certain actions. Because you need a job. If you don't have a job, you cannot feed the family. All those papa karmas will become negative here. Bad vasanas. You have to cleanse it pure. Your conscious have to become pure. Then only the chakra will function properly. So all these plus and minuses will be there if you are attached to the family. That is why people, they go out of the family, they never attach with anything. Either they beg, they never borrow, they beg. Whatever they possess, they feel happy. That was the sannyasi jivana. That is why people come out of this thing.
I have one question here, sir.
I will finish it off. The present state, you can 50% concentrate on spirituality and 50% on family. This drags you more than this. This drags you more than the family affair. Unless otherwise you leave the family and concentrate here, you cannot move forward here. So these are all constraints. So don't go beyond 50%. Here also, don't go beyond 50%. Because you have to attain mukti, of course, not in the Janma, in some other Janma. So go in a very, very slow way, very slow pace. Take a passenger train. There are so many express trains are available, but you take a passenger train. But you have to sit into a train. That train should always on the move, a very slow pace. So that should be your motto now. Or you can come out to the family. give something to the family, security, come out of the family, concentrate 100% here. Then you can do so many things here. Now the Kundalini has come out. It is not going upward. You are telling that it is going up and coming down, going up and coming down. It is not going down. Mooladhara Chakra. When it has come out of the Mooladhara Chakra and stuck in the Manipura, it tries to go to Anahata. Go to Anahata. It is not going beyond Anahata, again coming to Manipura. Either it has to come down or go up. If it is stuck in between, your conscious, this thing will go off. It is the beginning now. If you go on doing all these things, what Kundalini does, there is a stake, there is a snake. You put a log on this thing and kindle it. The snake is sleeping. You are making the snake to, and making the snake to, ask the snake to come out of the cage. It comes out of the cage, but it doesn't know where to go. It moves everywhere. It doesn't find the way to come out. It cannot sit inside and it cannot go out also. So that is the situation now comes to you. So you should know your limitations. Now you ask me the question. You cut it off.